Hey everyone, it's Ian with Pro Cycle Repair here. Today I'm going to show you guys something a little different. I got an Acura and there's some rattles in it that I just rather would fix myself. If you too have the issue of your seatbelt adjusters on the B-pillars rattling, I will show you guys exactly where to put your felt tape and where to fix it. Let's check it out. All right, so these are what I'm talking about right here. Mine were the channels, right where this rides up and down, was rattling, and then also this part right here behind that, the channel for this slide was rattling too. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take this off. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screwdriver and pop this piece out right here. Don't worry, there's no airbag behind this on the 2020, mine's a 2023 Integra. I don't think the 22s have it either. Yeah, let's start taking it apart. First, we're gonna start by reaching your fingers on this inside. And you're gonna pull gently this piece out like this. Do it on the other side too. So right here is a pillar garnish. It's a style where it's Honda's one-time use. So in the way to get this out is you actually take a screwdriver. I did that with a screwdriver, and you tap it in. Let me show you what it looks like really quick. So here's a brand new one. So this plastic resides right in that little lip right there, and you'll press it in just once. Then once you can collapse it completely, there's little ribs right here that prevent this from going back out and reusing it. You can pull those little ribs back to reuse it, but I just bought new ones. So yeah, we have to collapse it in all the way to get this to pull out. So next, what you want to do once we collapse that in, you want to peel back the rubber fitment, the door molding. I can't think of the right word for them. But we want to peel it back like that. Peel this piece back. Like that. Then you're going to push inward slightly, and this part will pop out. And then just like that. Now you can see this piece right here. That's our bumper, our little garnish. You see how it's collapsed in right there? That's how you get it out of that hole. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our seatbelt down. And very gently, we're going to pop out these without breaking our clips. Spread it a little bit, and we're gonna pull this out. So what we're gonna do, once we get this spread out, taken off, we're gonna put felt tape along this, right here, and down here. That's where a lot of my noises were coming from. And then on this piece, same thing, we're gonna spread it, take this piece out right here, and put felt tape behind that to prevent any rattling from happening on this too. So we have these ones that came from factory. We're gonna add it up just to add a little bit of tension against the new felt tape. Then we're going to take our longer pieces. We're going to put it right on the inside of that. We'll do it just like that. And I'm going to cut that in half so that way it's not on there. All right, so once we get our felt tape on, just like that, got on those channels, we're gonna put it like this, spread it out, make sure to get it underneath those little clips without breaking them. Verify it slides. This is what it looks like on the inside. So when we pop it out, we're gonna put a little bit of felt tape right there, there, and that's part where it slides, and it'll have tension to prevent it from rattling against the plastic. Okay, now that we got felt tape on it, no rattles. Also, another thing I want to tell you guys, don't put felt tape on the little channels on the bottom. Just put them on the top. It was too much to where it wouldn't spring back, but pretty good. Now we're gonna install it. First, we're gonna take our little garnish, little pillar garnish, and we're gonna put that black lip into this holder part. Verify it's in all the way. Okay. Then we're gonna match up the height that we had this in. There we go. Make sure this works before installing it. Then verify that this is all in. There's little clips at the bottom that go in. Okay. Now we're gonna press this in as tight as we can. Verify it's in the hole. And then this center white piece right inside there, you're gonna gently press that in. Just like that. Now it's locked in. And then what we're gonna do, gonna make sure these bottom parts in, verify this still moves up and down. Okay. And you're gonna take your seals, you're gonna start at the top, work your way down. Do it to both sides. Cup the seal like this at the top to bring the seal all the way up. Make sure you got it all the way in. Then this bottom piece, this just goes in. There's two channels that these go into right here. I'm gonna slightly push that down to fit into it. And then this wraps around the trim just like that. Work your way down on both sides. Make sure that nothing's out. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching Pro Cycle Repair here today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I appreciate all the support. Later.